Hey everyone, happy Friday. I want to make a quick recap on my trade from this morning. I'm going over a little bit of overextension on the RSI because I typically, recently, whenever I've shown an example, it's usually divergence, which is fantastic. Divergence, when looking for a reversal, is a great way to tell when it's losing steam. But one of the things I haven't really delved into is the overextension, and that was the trade this morning. So let's hop right into it. Let's get this 4-hour chart open so I can explain my process, my thoughts. We were on this candle here, or we're still on this candle here, and we have this here. Let me make these drawings go away really quick. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, we had this area of resistance as the last threat before we had all this clear space. So I wanted to see a break above here as for a long, and then make this my bigger picture target. If we rejected it, we had a lot of buyers and sellers trading money here. I just wanted to see it come back and test this general area down here, so I marked a level down here, which you can see. I had this red level. These are all my 4 hours, the red levels. I wanted to see it reject somewhere here and then come back down and test this area down here, and we weren't quite above the 0 level yet on the RSI. We weren't crossing over to the upside, but you could see the red candles were getting smaller and smaller. So I had a little bit of a long idea from the 4-hour chart. Then we move over to the 1-hour chart, and with that same idea, the green bars, they had closed up here close to the 20 level. The current bar we were on, the 6, was I think it was above the 20 level. It looked like it was going to close strong. So again, I was thinking long. So I marked up these levels right here to trade through as clear space, with that same idea in mind, where I wanted to get above this red level from the 4-hour chart, seeing as you would have gone through here as clear space, and then you would have had all this clear space to trade through. So it would have been a nice area. But when you look at the 5-minute chart, and this is why you need to go through every time frame, because every single time frame puts the pieces of the puzzle together. You can't just look at one time frame and trade off of it. But once you start looking at the lower time frames, you would have noticed just how extended we were getting on this run up. And so alongside that, like I said, alongside divergence, we also have overextension, which is a nice way of looking for a reversal, because it's basically buyers all the way up this entire run up, and it's not just going to continue maybe for a little bit longer, but it has to at some point pull back, if not just to relax. And sometimes you will get these major reversals, which is what happened today. So right here at around 9:15, 9:20, we get this large red candle, and this is our 2B right here. So it broke high, and then once this broke that final high, this becomes the low we have to close below. So we did that, closed below it, came back for a pullback and retest exactly to that level, just about, I think, to the pip actually. It's kind of incredible. Came back, retested it, rejected it. Next candle over is the 9:30 market open. Make sure that there's no support that you're trading through, so none of the most recent candles. So that would have been entry there, which is where I took it. And what do you know? Traded right down to the next level of that 4-hour resistance we had marked up. And had you left on a runner, would have continued even further, another 27 pips. Really super nice trade. Very simple. It only took a couple minutes to come in, which is how I love to scalp. I don't like to sit around and wait. I want my trades to work immediately, and if they're not going to work, then I just get out. Very simple. But yeah, this is I just wanted to emphasize this divergence. Once you start seeing it get way above the 40 and you can see it growing stronger and stronger, you don't want to be involved. You don't want to get yourself involved with the long. It might look like, yeah, there's a lot of buyers behind this, let me take it long. But really, you've already missed the move. The move to get in on this trade was down here. When we pulled back, relaxed, and reversed, you want to get in here and grab this move, not up here while there's already exhaustion, because now we're running out of supply. Then we have to pull back, relax, and keep going higher if it wants to. But in this case, we obviously had no buyers and it just tanked. But that gives us an opportunity to go short. So always an opportunity somewhere. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade for the rest of today. That was my one trade for today. It's Friday. Gonna enjoy the rest of the day before I go to work. And yeah, so I'm gonna end it there. But thanks for watching, guys. As always, hit me with any questions. I'll put I keep forgetting to put my Twitter in my bio, so I'll put my Twitter in my bio if you guys need to send me any messages or anything. Yeah. All right. See you guys. Enjoy your weekend.